crisp fried chicken on a bed of greens topped with warm honey mustard dressing is a longtime favorite in our home. Start by crushing your tortilla chips in a food processor, or you can use this method. Cut the chicken breast into small pieces, add your Cajun seasoning, or salt and pepper work too. Then add 3 heaping tablespoons of egg replacer to a bowl along with a little water. Whisk well with a fork. Add the tortilla crumbs to a plate a little at a time. Then add your egg replacer mixture to the chicken, stir well, then coat the chicken in small batches. Add the chicken to your heated oil. And fry until golden and crisp. Your frying time will depend on the size of your chicken pieces. Drain the chicken on paper towels. Then I like to transfer it to a baking sheet and place it in a warm oven until all my chicken is fried. Add more tortilla crumbs to the plate and repeat until all the chicken is done. For a delicious honey mustard dressing, combine equal parts of mayonnaise, mustard, and honey in a small stock pot, along with the juice from 1/2 of a lemon. Heat it on low and serve warm over the salad. I hope your family enjoys this as much as we do. Don't forget to hit the cupcake to subscribe. And thanks for watching.